Mumbai runs on chai, vada pav, and the humble sandwich. But this isn't your average cheese and ham. This is a symphony of beetroot, potato, fresh coriander, green chutney, cheese and butter, and loads of it. Born in 1960s in the shadows of Mumbai textile mills, the Bombay Sandwich is a story of survival, spice and street smart innovation. Today we are hunting down two of the city's most legendary sandwich stalls. One a polished chaos of Churchgate, one in the suburban heart of Ville Parle. No forks, no plates, just paper, chutney stained fingers and pure magic. The 1960s, the Mumbai textile industry was booming. Thousands of migrant workers poured into the city, working 12-hour shift. They needed food that was cheap, filling and fast, but also tasty. The British and Portuguese brought bread, the concept of the sandwich, to India. But the Indian plate, it demands heat, crunch and a layer of flavor. So an unknown vendor did something revolutionary. He took soft white bread, slathered it with punchy mint cilantro chutney, stuffed it with cold slices of cucumber, tomato, boiled potatoes, and sold it for a few paise. But Mumbai doesn't stand still. By the 1990s, the sandwich evolved. Electric griddles appeared on carts, butter sizzled, the cold sandwich became the hot Bombay toasty. Vendors started adding boiled beetroot for sweetness and color. Then came the game changer, grated cheese, and finally crunchy crown of save. The sandwich was no longer just a snack, it was an event. Two vendors, two different Mumbais, one love for the sandwich. Churchgate, right outside the busiest railway station, this is the Raju Sandwich stall. No fancy signs, just decades of muscle memory. Raju started here in the late 80s, inheriting a cart from his uncle's ran since 1970. The Churchgate version leans traditional. Less cheese, more chutney. The bread is grilled until it shatters like crackers. It's salty, spicy, impossibly green from the coriander.
Here we are at Raju's sandwich stall to try their sandwich, the famous Mumbai sandwich. Let's try it out. Look like loaded with cheese. It's perfect. I mean, chutney oozing on now. Tomatoes, onions, and then cucumber also. But wow, it's just perfect, not over. Most of the time I'll eat in these sandwiches are slightly over. This is just good.
My honest take, this is the original soul of the sandwich. No gimmicks, just butter, chutney, perfectly soft, crunchy veg. If you want the history, come here. Next, we head to Ville Parle. This is Mahindra Sadhguru sandwich stall. Mahindra, the owner, runs two setups. One the classic street cart, the other one a shop with a sandwich counter vibe. Mahindra's style is pure indulgence. He doesn't just butter the bread, he paints it. The griller is hotter, the cheese is grated generously, and finally a touch of mountain nylon save, adding crunch to the crackles of the sandwich in your ear.
With a pizza tandoori sandwich, which is one of their USPs. Let's go ahead and indulge. Loaded with cheese. loaded with butter, loaded with tomato puree, loads of vegetables, crispy, nothing like a pizza, but definitely like a sandwich. A wholesome meal by itself, and really delicious. Oh my god, let me have one more piece. And the rest the guy in the camera behind will have. Wow. A wonderful sandwich. Even oozes mayo. Beautiful.
This is the modern Mumbai sandwich, rich, messy, deeply satisfying, and the beetroot here is almost jammy. The chaat masala hits your friendly punch, and the Raju sandwich is a memory of the 1960s. Mahindra is the future. Let's be honest, both are brilliant, but here is how they differ. Which one wins depends on your mood. If you want history and heat, go to Churchgate. If you want cheesy, save crusted hug, go to Ville Parle. My personal favorite, Mahindra with extra save, but I'll never forget Raju's pure, unapologetic chutney. The Mumbai sandwich started as a worker's meal, cheap, portable, filling. 60 years later, it's a global icon of India's street food. It's a proof that you don't need expensive ingredients to create magic. Just butter, cheese, chutney, and a hot griddle. Thank you Raju Bhai and Mahinder Bhai for keeping the flame alive, one pressed sandwich at a time. If you enjoyed this food adventure, please like, comment and share this video with someone who loves Mumbai street food. And tell me, chutney heavy or cheese heavy? Team Raju or Team Mahindra? Until next time, stay hungry and happy eating. Bye.